In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to master Deku in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on all the ways in which you will be able to earn mastery points towards the Vigilant Green Hero, or how to master Deku basically. So first, the easiest way for you to get mastery points that you can check by clicking on this little star icon here is going to be to kill other players. Now, I am recording this video on a private server, but if you want to earn actual points, you will need to do this on a public server, so keep that in mind. Don't do this on a private server if you actually want to get the mastery. I'm only recording here for convenience and so I can talk freely without being attacked, but like I said, the main way of getting mastery points and progress is going to be to kill other players. So just join a public server and start killing or eliminating others. Now, the second best way is going to be by completing daily quests. So when you join Heroes Battlegrounds, you'll see this leaderboard and you just have to go the opposite way towards this little house here. Now, when you go over to this little house, or rather this hut, you will be able to talk to this NPC for the Game Pass shop and then this one leaning on this pillar. If you talk to him, you will be able to choose between 3 daily quests. Now, I have already selected mine, Awaken 3 times, and this is going to reward me with 5% mastery. So you will be able to choose from any of the daily quests available, and by doing this, you can complete the objective shown there to get mastery progress. Once that is done, you will be able to repeat it the next day. The last option that you have is going to be by killing Namu. Namu is a boss that spawns on public and private servers. It takes 30 minutes to spawn on a private server, and it can take a while on a public one, and by participating in this raid, you will be able to kill him and, like I mentioned, earn mastery progress. I hope I was able to help you on how to master Deku in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.